Essential Tools for Agile Project Management 2025. Why use Agile for project management? A brief. Agile project management methodologies have become more and more popular over time, and in the current market, Agile project management is a must have for businesses. It has become so popular, partly due to the fast paced nature of business today. But why? And what is the use of Agile? This project management methodology is used because of the flexibility it provides in terms of time and cost savings as well as improving organizational growth. It is a dynamic, ever evolving process, adapts to changing circumstances, delivers exceptional results, promotes continuous growth and efficiency. It reshapes project management across industries, emphasizes adaptability, innovation, and delivering value. Asana. Asana is a project management tool that provides functionality for industries that cooperate on a project. Key features include task management, project timelines, team communication, and integrations with other tools. These easy-to-use features in Asana make it simple to coordinate since the whole team can be very organized and have their own way of managing their tasks. Jira. Jira is an agile project management tool that offers features like task tracking, project planning, and agile boards. It is tailor-made and customizable, supporting agile testing and facilitating collaborative productivity. However, Jira is complex and costly due to the need for developers to configure integrations. Despite its complexity, it provides roadmaps for communication and collaboration with stakeholders, making it the first software development tool used by agile teams. Jira supports agile methodologies like Scrum and Kanban, offering maximum flexibility in project management. Rike. Rike is a cloud-based project management service designed for small, agile teams. It features task assignments, real-time updates, document collaboration, and configurable workflows. Streamline work processes, improve productivity, and allow teams to make instant changes to save costs and increase revenues. However, Rike mobile versions can sometimes be lagging. Rike's major dashboard, Activity Stream, helps project managers stay on task and track issues. It offers a range of features like setting and tracking issues, real-time updates, explanations through documents, customizable and reliable workflows, exhaustive project management, quotes, reports, analysis, and control. The only drawback is that there is a free version, but it's very limited and might turn out to be a long process with a very steep learning curve. Trello. Trello is an easy-to-use project management tool that includes features for team collaboration, boards, lists, and cards. The simplicity of the app encourages a collaborative environment and surely makes it easier to maintain transparency and efficiency with tasks or projects, but without a doubt, it lacks reporting. It brings together all the tasks, to-do things, and activities with a glance across the board for multiple projects or team members. Smartsheet. Smartsheet is a very versatile SaaS. It ranges from offering solutions like enhanced file management add-ons and integrations to advanced project and task management, form automation, and notification capability, working with the management of resources, interfacing with a Gantt chart, and spreadsheet team collaboration on projects. Smartsheet is very user-friendly and, at the same time, cross-functional. Similarly, with that said, some of the priorities become unified because of the integration of these features. Smartsheet is a cloud-based platform that automates actions, simplifies budget and planning, and offers Gantt charts for visual project planning and scheduling. It is suitable for businesses of all roles and industries, allowing for free and open collaboration. ClickUp. ClickUp is an agile project management platform designed for engineering and product teams to plan, organize, and collaborate on work using tasks, documents, chat, goals, whiteboards, and more. It offers a customized feature that creates efficiencies in things like workflows, bugs, releases, and wikis. ClickUp comes with over 15 unique views of tasks that would be presented, inclusive of the list, Gantt, calendar, and Kanban-like board views. With over 1,000 integrations, ClickUp supports modern, agile approaches and caters to unique needs and personal preferences.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with SprintSeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.